Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu 5. I thought I'd do an unboxing. This is my project watch. The watch I'm going to work with and customize, hopefully without breaking it. My customer service watch, the watch that I sent in for repairs, is coming this Thursday, I think. So this is not that. But this is my project watch, and I thought I'd just open it up and tell you what my plans and such. Since it's a Japanese watch, I thought I'd use the Japanese knife to open it, the Hiko Nagami with the wattled blue handle. Got the Seiko box. There's the SKX 007 with its watch sofa, as some people call it, its watch pillow. And it appears to be ticking. Just to still getting over my illness. And it's interesting, the 12 o'clock marker on the unidirectional bezel is not at the 12 o'clock position. We will have to change that. It's not too difficult to turn the bezel. This is not a review. I guess you could call it initial impressions. And as kind of expected, I don't think the 12 o'clock marker on the unidirectional bezel lines up with the chapter ring on the 12 o'clock position. Not too bad. Alright, let's see if it comes with a warranty card, because my last one did not. I don't know if there was anything supposed to be in there. No warranty card. Alright, this is the Seiko SKX 007. What sets us apart from some of the higher end divers, and when I say higher end, I mean my SPR turtle. This one cannot be manually wound, and it has no hacking. You can see the hand is moving, and the second hand still ticks. And I don't know if it's okay. Yeah. Maybe I'm not supposed to turn it backwards. I'm still new to automatic watches, so I'm going to have to talk to some watch people about that. See if I can change the date. Let's see. Today is the 17th. I'm happy that it has the secondary language in Spanish, because I can understand Spanish somewhat. My other one is like in some other Oriental language. And let's set the time real quick, and I'll tell you what my plans are. Sorry, that might be the part that you're interested in. There's my Wangel Grenier de Nero. get this up to my face where I can see it. Okay, I think it's set. Okay, I'm going to take this watch off. Plans for this watch. This is my new Seiko. This is my Wrangler. I'm going to take this NATO off of this one and put this NATO on it. This is going to be my Beetle watch for the most part, but I'm probably still going to carry this or wear this at work. I don't know. I haven't decided yet because I do weed eat a lot, and both of these are sapphire crystal glasses, but you can see that this one is a little bit worse to wear. But this is my Beetle watch, and I'm going to designate this as my Beetle NATO. Got my Bond NATO. Going to put the Bond NATO on the 007, you know, kind of play on words there. But some other things I plan on doing is removing this bezel ring. I'm hoping I'm using the right terminology. And I'm going to replace it with a black ceramic glow-in-the-dark bezel ring. The 50s, 20, 30, 40, 10, they should glow, which I think would be really cool for a watch, especially a diver. If you don't know, divers generally glow, the indices generally glow, and the hands generally glow. It's called lume, or luminescence. It's usually shortened to lume. And Seiko has very good lume. Excuse me. And I've tested this on my Seiko Golden Turtle versus this, which this is very unimpressive. So I thought it would be cool to make this outer ring glow along with it, so you can actually see the unidirectional bezel. Something else I'm planning on doing, you can see, excuse me, you can see these lines underneath or in between the 12 o'clock position there and the 12 o'clock position there. That's a chapter ring. I plan on removing that chapter ring and replacing it with a mirror polished silver colored ring that has no indices on it, no markers on it. And this is, it's kind of weird. I'm modifying it in one way to make it more practical, and I'm modifying it in another way to make it more aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to make that, and that's hopefully going to be mirror polished. That let me use the knife to point. That area right there is going to be hopefully mirror polished, and it's going to be very shiny. I was trying to decide between the rose gold, which is basically copper, or the polished silver, which I think is polished nickel or nickel silver. But I think I want the mirror polish, and as opposed to the rose gold, which is copper. Both are going to look good, but I think the mirror polish will go better with the theme. And something else I'm planning on doing, I've been having problems with getting this tool delivered to me, is removing the second hand and either replacing it with a clover, a trident, or I was thinking a trident, and they have a trident second hand you can replace it with. Or maybe there's an arrow one. I haven't quite decided what I want to do with the second hand, but I'm thinking I want to replace the second hand and have it a little bit different. But yeah, I'm going to put this NATO on it. I generally don't like these silicone bands, but this one actually feels like it's higher quality than the Casio variety. So I'm going to keep it, maybe use it sometime or whatever. But I'm going to put the NATO on. I wanted to point this out. You see this very beautiful blue case back on it? Well, it's not really that color. I was disappointed on my last Seiko. I thought it was going to be that beautiful color, but apparently that's just scratch protecting tape. I hate that I'm coughing in this video, but I haven't gotten over my respiratory infection, but I still want to make videos for you. But I do like the wave, that's the Japanese wave. I forget who painted it in the original painting, but when I do a review on this, I'll probably talk about it more in depth. It's my favorite Japanese painting. But yeah, that's it. That's the watch. This is my project watch. And I haven't got all the parts that I need to do the modifications. I'm going to get those slowly. I just thought I'll tell you what I have planned for this watch. And hopefully, eventually, I'll put those plans into fruition, and I'll have a custom watch that I'd really like. But I am going to continue. I am going to wear this until I modify it, so I can review it in the future. So that's it. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out.